16-207, State versus Stephen Gunn, residential burglary, aggravated assault, criminal mischief. So we're here for any pretrial motions.
Your Honor, there are not any pretrial motions today. Mr. Gunn has been in jail for a significant period of time. What do you show his bond at, Your Honor?
Judge, it was reduced to $15,000.
$15,000.
Your Honor, I'm not certain when the reduction to $15,000 occurred, and I understand that the fact that he's not gotten out is not a criteria that the court would normally consider. This gentleman has been in jail for 3 months, and I think we're getting to the point where he's being punished without actually having the benefit of a trial. I would ask for a reduction in the $15,000 bond to $5,000 corporate.
What is his relationship with the alleged victim?
It's his cousin, Your Honor. And Judge, this is the charges against this man stem from assaulting his cousin, a female. They stem from thousands of dollars worth of damages, which he did to this individual, his property. We've gone through this bond reduction before, Your Honor. The court set this for $15,000. We think that's fair, given the allegation here.
Your Honor, if there is an order that strictly prohibits him, and I imagine that's in effect already, from being around the alleged victim in any form or fashion, then I would
There's an order to that effect?
I think a $5,000 bond would be more than sufficient.
Again, that's an argument that's been made, Your Honor. Just because this man can't make a bond doesn't mean that we need to reduce it.
Right now, I'm going to leave it for it's at. 16-175, State versus Jennifer Nassenbean. Sure I said that wrong. Nassenbean, Jennifer Nassenbean. Appointed the Public Defender's Office to represent you. 16-175. We're here for a pretrial or any pretrial issue.
Your Honor, there are not at this time. Your Honor, the court will recall this is a case that I just recently took over.
Okay.
But today there are no pretrial motions.
Okay, and 15-162. So she's here for an arraignment on a petition to revoke a suspended or probationary period.
That's correct, Your Honor.
How does she plead?
Your Honor, she pleads not true.
Okay.
Your Honor, I talked to Mr. McGowan, her probation officer, before court started. There's no objection, at least from the probation part of the state, to her bond on them being set at $2,500 corporate. I would ask the court to set it at that amount.
Judge, if that's okay with Mr. McGowan, that's fine. We do have the results back from the most latest criminal charge, and I would like the court to set this revocation hearing for hearing. I don't want the lady to bond out of jail and then have a hearing in 2 weeks, which we're prepared for, Your Honor. We'd just like to do a revocation.
Your Honor, she's being arraigned on this today, so I would ask that the court set this for at least 30 days from now.
That's fine.
It's Judge Webb's case on the set it for a revocation hearing on October 27th.
It's fine, Judge.
And 16-175, you said there was nothing to be done. So
Your Honor, did the court set her bond at $2,500?
I don't know if I said that, but that's fine, yes.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
16-139, State versus Kenneth Jackson, battery in the first degree.
Your Honor, there is no action to take in this case at this time. I think this is set for jury trial in October.
right.
We'll just leave it there, at least for now, Judge.
All right. 16-69, State versus Sarah Hicks, theft of property. I'm looking at a police statement here, ma'am. Have you gone over this police statement? Okay, this
Oh,
lady's
yes, ma'am.
repeating-
Or, yes, sir. Yes.
Repeating this, so you have to say,
Sorry.
okay, you feel you understand what's in the police statement?
Yes.
Do you understand the charges against you and the range of penalties if you're convicted?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty to theft of property, a Class D felony?
Yes.
By entering your plea, you're giving up your right to have a trial, and you also cannot appeal. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Are you entering your plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Other than what's in this police statement, in the conditions, has anyone promised you anything
No.
in order to get you to change your plea?
No.
Have you signed both of these documents?
Yes.
Are you entering this plea freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
You tell me? What did you steal?
Trailer.
This time, ma'am, I accept your plea, I judge you guilty, you were placed on 5 years probation. You pay $200 in cost, a $1,000 fine, a DNA fee of $250, $20 booking fee, a $200 public defender fee, $2,500 in restitution. Pay what you owe at the minimum rate of $100 per month, beginning within 30 days.
Can I,
You make
sorry. Can you extend that a little bit so I can have time to look for a job? Because I initially lost my CNA license, so I have to start a whole new career.
Well, why don't you talk to the probation officer about it? Where do you live at?
In Marion County.